Yay, we're doing.
Yeah.
The music in the second sanctuary is so strange. Like the reverse vibe is super cool. I don't know, I'm a sucker for that. Yeah. Also, when we finish this, I want to show you something because I've had something on for a while.
Oh, on hopes and dreams they send. They throw us up.
There's that prophecy again. The one with us. It's pretty hard to believe. Not just that things have been predicted, sure, but that I'm part of it too, I guess. Na 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 na.
Countdown to the year 65.
Dang, this prophecy stuff is chaotic. I don't know what. Oh! Ooh, Winglade cuts in.
Does that sound familiar?
Hello, goodbye.
Halo, are you listening?
I'm a big fan of Winglade's circular text. That's unique. Viva la revolution! Viva la revolution! Okay, I'm kidding. Also, Winglade is giving Pokemon. You see it? Huh.
Create the Ryan prize in any shape from dark eyes. Yeah.
Dang. Dang. Hey, Chris, look, it's Ralsei! When you first met him.
Yeah.
But I guess all three of us have our own prophecies too. If Ralsei is the lonely prince, I wonder what we are. Come on, there's gotta be another one ahead. Man, Susie.
I am the philosopher. You've got to return the tree, but the light of the mind has changed. Unless you can always see another side.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Whoa! What? How is that possible? Woo! Dude, we're riding the dang piano in places.
I understand everything.
Damn right. Whoa. Oh, interactive. Organic accosts you. You tried to harmonize. Touch the green.
I am the philosopher.
The tail motes must not be followed. The tail which must not be followed. Sorry, the goofy sounds of the notes got me giggling. Ah! Shit! Oh god, no!
What are you doing? I'm trying to protect these.
I accidentally, no! Okay, I tried to activate something, I accidentally skipped ahead. I hate myself. I didn't sing it in the right.
Alarm of screams, please read by Blade.
No, it's fine. I'll find my way. I'm lost.
We're 4 minutes in. 4-8 right now. I heard there's something inside the acorn, but I don't know where to find an acorn, or even what one is in the first place. Whose dream is this? Versus dream? Susie's dream. Dream is this? Nice dream?
No!
Yeah. But first here are the case with human soul.
Hey, Chris, this has gotta be you! Weird illustration though. Plus, why is it calling you a king? Shouldn't you be something more like the cool? Then for the picture, they can like use my drawing. You're saying Susie rules. Okay, things are getting back in order. I'm never attempting that again.
Even were you trying anyway?
Nothing specific. I'll show you when this is over. I'll show you after this. Organic costume. It was glowing. The voice was glowing. What is it, Deltarune? Good question. The tail, which must not be followed. Yay! Things are finally back to normal.
What stream is this? You left it here?
Why did we leave it there? The girl. You think that means me? Like, my prophecy's next. I wonder what it says. Come on! Let's just go. Sorry. I thought it was gonna be something after that. We sure are alone. This place is a mess.
Well,
Yeah, what did
between you and another, you reached 503 gold. National Mint would like to award you for your service. Take what is in the treasure box and it's yours.
we just did already. Whoops. Huh? Whoa! Oh, this is trippy. The lighting has changed, but the power that fills you has not. It's still you. Despite everything, it's still you. Chris! Hey, look, it's me! The girl with hope crossed on her heart. Man, that's badass, isn't it? Think there's anything else about us? We're just standing there, let's keep looking. Second hero, the girl with hope crossed on her heart. Oh.
I am the philosopher. Haven't you heard of hyperlink block? I feel like I haven't heard of it, but I don't know why.
I didn't know hyperlink block was here. Every now and then, it all circles back to Spamton. Gotta be honest, Chris, I've never really gotten picked, yeah, for anything before. No one ever wanted to be my partner in class. Even got chosen last in gym.
I don't know
But
how
this-
that wasn't immediate.
This is like something else, you know? Something important. Chris, before, I didn't think I could be a hero. I wasn't good enough. I mean, I was bad. I still kind of am bad in some ways, I guess. But now, I got hope crossed on my heart. Man, we're going on a long road. Hope, written in truth, written somewhere, no one can erase. Hey, sorry, that's the wrong tone, sorry. Nah, I ain't going there, Susie, sorry. Huh? Where is this? Where are we going? Huh?
What do you call a man with one eye?
What do we call him? Where's this lead? Sure is a long hallway, huh?
Why does the angel make it cry?
Why does it? Huh?
Who will call the girl who snows?
The girl who what? The girl who what? The girl who... It's new!
I don't know. I don't know!
Oh goodness. Are these guys going insane? What's going on with them? Huh? What was... Roots. What?
I heard something in between.
In between?
It was
In
mixed
between?
up.
In between, it's in between!
It's lost where the forest grow. The children followed the pointed tail. I think that's what it's
Lost where the Yeah, lost where the forest...
Poor children!
The poor children! In between! Let's go in between! Let's go in between! Let's go! Let's keep doing this! What? Where are we? Chris, there you are. The patients have been waiting for you. Sorry, I'm sorry.
No.
Where are we?
Okay.
It's in between! What? Huh?
I'm sorry. Join the droid. You. Right? Over our club. This is where we drop
Art
pieces
club?
will kill each other. We drop. Nice luck. Shit.
What? What? What's happening? Why are we being... Someone's here seems to be making painting of a tree. However, strangely, it seems they haven't drawn the bark yet. Oh, this is ominous. It's a sink. It would be ridiculous if you painted something and there was nowhere to wash your hands.
Well, there's a man here. Well, he seems to be pointing at something and nodding. Well, there's a canvas here. Will you draw? Yes. Chris picked up a pencil. They began by sketching with dancing behind the tree. But as they sketched, the line began to err, as if the pencil had lost its way. So they started again, drawing over the lines they had already made. Many times they would suddenly halt, or the pencil drifted a new drawing. So they started over again. Through many repetitions, their movements became faster and smoother, until without looking, they had completed a sketch in a single, wild line. In the end, as a result of layering the sketches on top of each other, the surface of the canvas was nothing more than a monochrome smear. Next, the tree was painted over it, painted over everything, leaving nothing but a simple still life. After all, there wasn't anything to look at in the room besides a single tree. Chris got up. It seemed the painting was complete, but their hands, moving with graphite, were still moving, as if to trace an unseen shape. An egg was picked up from under my easel.
We got an egg!
It's a signal.
You're in one.
Over your hands and triangles. Between your fingers, a faint pain crease glares stubbornly. You can never wash it all away.
Man, there's something on. This is something. So the fact that Deltarune could just make well, how'd the session go? They say art is therapeutic. Which one of you was the patient anyway? Dude. What? Dude, Deltarune can make a single tree look ominous. It's impressive. No. Let's go follow Susie. Oh, there she is again. Hey, what does that mean? First, I gotta find the next one. You, can stay here. Whoa, the girl. Oh, ooh. Wicker bell clanks in your way. Press button with the right timing. Perfectly in tune. All musical acts became stronger. One bell, the bell, tinkle and tremble. I messed up. Deltarune is my favorite Toho game. Press button with the right timing. Perfectly in tune. All musical acts became stronger. I am humbled. Aww. Look at her. Look at her. Na 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 na. Da na na na. Do 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 do. Na 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 na. The gallery of ancient faces.
Welcome to Club Hapnias. This is an archaeological exhibit.
They must have gone to themselves with only their work. We should be like them. We should only eat notes and sentence. Whatever that's it. Oh my goodness, the girl everywhere.
A beautiful specimen. Only the crown face remains. If only you could see its delicate pieces. We have a beautiful event. We posterity. I definitely went with that.
Don't worry. The girl. Looks so original.
An original looking statue.
I like how every now and then Star Walker just shows up.
Your pajamas is supposed to be the look of Pico Phoenix.
It's a stone cooler, not particularly useful. A familiar looking statue.
I'm waiting to turn to stone. Hurry up, will you?
Why does bro want to turn to stone so badly? Gallery. Don't touch. Overachiever. A familiar looking statue. Na 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 na. Aww. No, the little cups.
The towel was carved in red and a bunch of dollars. Dollars were different back then. And better.
Yeah. An awful beast, a relief to skin. From the body shape, it seems to have eaten meat and fire. A familiar looking statue. Familiar looking statue. $500 dark dollars. Yo, we're rich! Chris? Hey, didn't I tell you to wait for him? If there's something about me here, then... Huh? Huh?
The last prophecy of the story yet.
Does the last prophecy? Is this what happens at the end?
To save the world, there's only one way.
It's telling us how to save the world? Hey, Chris, don't make everything easy, right? Huh? Hey, I was reading that! Old man? Wait!
Falcon.
Oh. It's a long way back up. Still a long way. The floor! Is something down there? I guess that answers that! Go! Where are those things? Dude, why is Roaring Knight leaving his hairy balls all over the place? No, I'm being wrecked! Chris, over here! I mean, you see it, right? The Roaring Knight's leaving his hairy balls all over the place. Hey, yo, Knight, do me a favor, clean up, will you? We don't want to touch your hairy balls. That's disgusting. Sorry for making that joke. I just had to. Get off me! Why are my attacks working? Thanks. I owe you one. Roaring balls! No! Got ya! Be more careful, dumbass. Come on, I see the top! Oh, go! Go! Chris, you're moving slowly! Okay, but this is cool though. Damn, that was close. Hey, Chris, I see you! Come on! That was a chase sequence. Hey, I was right! The old man's nutty! He must have been leading us here, right? All I'm gonna do is get a hold of him.
Upbound though.
Yes. Yeah, it's off color. Yeah, that's not the cool type of ceiling.
Nah.
Hey, Chris. Think he'd want to come to our castle now? I mean, obviously he would, right? Might mean taking a hammer, but I'm sure he'd be cool with it though, right? Yeah, but would you want someone's ashes in the closet though? I think school might also have some questioning. No, you don't like this. I don't like the pitches. Damn, it's dark in here. Hey! Hey, old man, what are you doing? Come on, Chris, after him! Old man! Dark!
That doesn't seem like the old man's still alive. Something so
yeah, something seems off. Hey, slow down, old man, we're trying to talk to you! Yeah, now that I think about it, I think there's something going on with him. It's so dark! Damn, I can't see anything in here. Huh? Wait, Chris, wait a sec. Do you hear that noise? It sounds like it was coming from... Yeah, it totally sounds like... Yeah, this way. Huh? Another noise. Sounded like it was coming from the left. Yeah, it totally sounds like your violin. Are we playing courses? Huh? Hey, I heard something again! Oh, it's dark!
What?
Damn it! Chris, I slipped and fell down somewhere. Stay there, okay? I'm gonna look for a way back. Black screen. Oh, it's so dark. Left in complete darkness. Seems there's nothing left to do but close your eyes. And think about how Susie is doing now. Damn, the heck are we gonna find a way back? Maybe I could just try and listen what's around me? Old man? Old man, that's you, right? Old man, hey, we've been looking for you! Ew, there's like this door code and... I thought you might know the... Hey, old man, are you... okay? What's going on? Oh my goodness. Old man, what are you doing? Why are you attacking me? You aren't trying to teach me something, are you? Left. Oh, it's messing with my headphones. Hey, what's the big idea? It's me, Susie. I'm your friend, right? Sorry. Left, right, left. Oh, this is weird. I wrote your letter for you. Don't you recognize me? Hey, say something. Come on, say something already. Sorry, doing something. Oh, the sounds. There's something about that one sound effect about it, like the... I'm telling you, I don't want to hurt you, so just... The sound effect before the arrows, before the bullets come in, it just terrifies me. I just don't like the way it feels. Huh? Huh? Chris! Hey! Chris! Something wrong. There's something wrong with the old man. We have to figure out how to get through to him. Darkness constricts you. Chris, why doesn't he recognize me? We have to stop him before anyone gets hurt. Left, right, up. Right, up, right, left. The air crackles with sound. I knew I screwed up. I screwed up making this dark pool. Trying to see him again even though he's already... Up, right. Left, right, right, left. Left, up, right. The whole arrow thing is reminding me of Stepmania. Old man, listen! I screwed up! I know, but we didn't bring you to Castle Town! If we bring you to there, you'll be all better! The thing about having to memorize the sounds... it's really giving Mawaru, because that one version Mawaru Magicians had... Last part, I forgot what the last part called. But like, there's a part where it's like the copy what I do and then the memory thing. It just reminds you of that. Am I the only one chatting? Oh! The air crackles with sound. So we don't have to hurt you, and you don't have to hurt us! Oh my god, oh my god! Crackles with sound. If Ralsei shows up, he can use fast supply, right Chris? All we have to do is wait for the old man to get tired. Screw it! Old man, if it's really you, I know something you've gotta recognize! See this? Del, what is that? What is that? That is not the old man, Was that a corpse? Oh goodness. Huh? A statue? Then the old man... Then why didn't you say something earlier? First a boring thing, then you not being real, and now this? What's wrong with you? If you know something, why don't you just... discuss?
Sorry. I know so many things. I don't know where to say them.
What do you mean? You know so many things.
About the rules of this world. About the prophecy. That's what happened. No, but I do. Sometimes knowing things it hurts. If anyone's going to say it hurt, just be me, okay? Ralsei.
Oh, Ralsei.
Sorry.
Oh, Ralsei makes me sad. Ralsei, is that why you've been acting so weird today? Why do you keep... See what? What? The last prophecy thing? No, I mean, we almost did, but... Hey, look, it's okay, man. That last prophecy thing, I don't need to see it. So, if it helps, whenever you got it, you can go ahead alone. But everything else, we're doing it together, as a team. Aww. And nothing's gonna change that. Nothing! Whether you like it or not, Toothpaste Boy! First noogie to make someone cry?
Why are you friends with me? I'm demoralized as
You couldn't get any weirder if you tried.
You too, Susie.
Thanks. Well, let's get out of here, Chris. Chris was just standing there watching the entire thing happen. Chris was just like, okay, I guess we're doing this then. Aura farming, done it before.
Susie, if you're thinking I still can't say, but you know what, I want to tell you everything I can.
So, know any codes to any doors?
I do not. What's this side?
Not now, dude. Let me guess, it's gonna then, anything about Noelle?
You're supposed to go.
Okay, you actually know Jack, great. And then let me guess, he's up here again. Oh, a path!
I suppose I'll sleep back to the start.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. I guess he really is important. We'll go steal the fountain. Well, I guess he is important after all. Your mic keeps cutting out when you say that! Your mic keeps cutting out after you say that, and that's fascinating to me.
Yeah, for some reason...
See ya in a sec.
Yeah, for some reason, my mic doesn't like some of my character voices, and just refuses to record them.
Ooh, the power of the soul! Lightning! Well, back again.
And it's back again.
Huh, it really worked. Now. Whoa, it's getting foggy. It's so dark
Why is there
again.
smoke coming out here?
Beats me. It's the same as before. The first time. Ah, Ralsei!
I suppose the original dark were partial to the fire side there too. That's too fast.
Are you yawning?
It would be a similar row as before.
What? What?
Just similar, huh? No, when you did that first Ralsei line, it sounded like you were yawning. Chris, now he's waiting there. There's no time to think about anything else. Let's go.
Wait.
What?
Us?
Fine, dumbass. Whew! Hit my finger. We're here again. But there seems to be no save point. Unless we go back up and there is a save point. There's an ominous green light, though. Oh, never mind. That works. And that's the end for now.
Yeah, next time we'll see what's beyond that door.
Yes, next time we'll see what's beyond. Man, this was super messy. The fact that things kept glitching out, isn't that?